In our last video, we shared our spring renovation plans for the RV, a long list of things that have been bugging us, including fixing our leaky roof. This week, the work continues, but a delay sends Henry and I camping while we wait for the parts we need. Stick around. Hey guys, look what just came in the mail. It's probably gonna look ridiculous because this one's so clean. I lost the screw for our new headlight, or corner light, marker light, whatever it's called. Yeah, it snaps from this thing, which is a little bit broken, but there's nowhere to actually screw this top screw down. But honestly, like when that's in there, it's really not going anywhere. When I looked at the other one, it's the same way, it just pulls out. So I'm not gonna pull it out, I'm just gonna leave it. Hopefully it stays in. It's not a perfect fit. I could stick a piece of rubber in here to kind of clean it up a little bit. Same thing on this one. Looks like this one was also replaced. It's better than a big hole, right? Oh, and the lights were cut off at some point. So the light that fits into that thing is long gone and the cord was cut too short to put it back in there. And I don't know, getting it to light up is not a priority to me. It's not actually our headlights or our blinker or anything. Finally get to knock something off the list. Let's keep going. Check out how gnarly it is. Just been pulling on it. This got so wet this winter. It's been getting periodic, like small leaks, but it's never been anything like this. So whatever was leaking became aggravated. It's not rotten. It's definitely like wet. We'll just pull this all out and let it dry a little bit. Good thing the liquid nails just came right off. Once this is dry, I'm gonna put a board over the top of this. Get up on top of the water hose and make sure I don't have any water leaking anymore. Every day is a play in an opera. Hello. Oh wow. Mouse hole. There's a big hole in the wall where those cables come through, and so wires are running back here. That's awesome. But obviously a mouse has chewed that out a little bit at some point. And this is all very soft up here at the top. Alright, I got all of the material ripped out that was saturated and wet. So there's a little bit, just the tiniest bit of sealing that's still dry in here. I'm gonna crank all the fans. Just let this dry out as much as possible. I cracked some windows, and with the ceiling all torn out, I'm just gonna run it until this starts to look more dry. I am gonna have to take out probably the upper 20%, 15% of that wall, because it is very wet under there. Let's let it run. New fan's cool. I need to like get the remote set up for this thing. Direction change. What does that do? And now it's coming in. That's perfect. One coming in, one going out. Hitch is in Canada without us. She left us behind. So Henry and I said, Henry, what do you want to do? And he said, I want to go camping. So we're headed to Lake Fort Smith. We brought our mountain bikes, we brought our kayaks. It's ridiculous. One night. It's gonna be fun. Here we go.
Dad, can I come up there too?
Yeah.
And this where our shoes go, and then you change your shoes,
Take your shoes off.
and then we put them on.
Off to the side over there. We've been really fighting to get a fire started with no luck. That checks out though. It actually stormed a lot today. That's why we got here so late. It's almost 6 o'clock now. Yeah, we had to like wait out. It was like this small line of thunderstorms that blew up, and they were like in and out for a couple hours, but we had to wait till they were gone, so we just sat and waited while it hailed, and then we loaded up and came down. I'm gonna start on dinner. What do you think? It looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I'm getting some broccoli close-ups.
Yeah.
Is that quick enough for you? It's a lot of steak.
Yeah. Yeah, that's going way better.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Good. This is nice and quiet.
Yeah.
Are we having fun, just us? It'd be fun if Mom was here too. I was on a business trip to Denver and I saw this thing at REI called the kitchen sink, and I've been dying to try it. So here we go. It's like one of those kid pools where like the tension of the water pushing against the side is what holds it up. So you have to put a lot in it just to get it to constitute itself. We're really roughing it, guys. I brought the Nintendo Switch as a surprise for Henry, and he's stoked. Oh, it's trying to get on the internet. Can't do that. We're just hanging out.
What does Toad say?
He says, this is a Yoshi's favorite food, the apples. But he's already eaten them all. We did go for a quick bike ride to the camp bathround, see where it was at. Your new achievement is achieve world peace. What? Whoa. Dope. You achieved world peace, Henry. You got a moon out of it. Alright. We're just gonna hang out. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
I'm in 6th place.
You can get up there. You're in 4th.
But I was in 6th.
I'm in 2nd.
I'm coming. Dodge my shell.
Where is your shell?
I shot a green shell all behind me.
Oh, I got the corner power. Oh, I took that Donkey Kong.
Don't hit me with
I'm lighting everybody up.
it. Except for me.
You way up there. Whoa.
Whoa.
The sun.
Ah.
Oh god, it's so blue. The sky's so blue. Oh my gosh, it's 8:30. We did some good sleeping, kid. Oh, okay. Come on down. Morning. We had a pretty nice night. It didn't get really cold until right around sunrise. And it got in the 40s, but man, that tent is so warm in our sleeping bags. It was a little chilly, but not bad at all. Henry can't wait for breakfast, so he's gonna have some trail mix. We just walked down to the visitor center and got checked in because we got in too late. Oh, there was like an old Pioneer's wagon. Was that cool?
Yeah, it was like an old-fashioned carrot.
Like an old-fashioned RV. I told Henry, like, you think it's hard fitting our stuff in our rig. That rig was very small. I got 2 good pancakes. Alright, you ready for some butter?
Yeah.
All these seeds and pollen falling in our food.
I'm cold.
I know, it's a little chilly.
But I'm like, so...
Have some cold orange juice, that will definitely help.
Why would cold orange juice so...
It won't, but I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it.
What did you say? And then why did you say have some cold orange juice?
Well, it's called sarcasm. Okay, there you go. Is it good?
Yeah.
Henry and I went for a bike ride around the campground, which was nice. But it's way too windy to go kayaking, so that's a disappointment. With those storms that came through yesterday, it's like 30-mile-an-hour winds, which is not fun in a kayak at all. Oh, cool. Henry's pretending that our Jeep got blown away to New Orleans. Wow, through the planet core to New Orleans. Anyway, I think we're just gonna hang out, have some sandwiches, and slowly pack up and head back. It's a quick, easy trip. He's having fun though. Well, it's right in the middle of this RV renovation you guys were watching. So there's no video ready yet, and because I put my knee through the RV skylight. I slipped and put my knee through the skylight over the shower.
Sorry.
We've been waiting on parts because I can't redo the ceiling until I make sure that I have everything totally dried in. So, coming soon. We're gonna finish what we started. That was unexpected, but that's RV life. You know, here's some things that we learned. First of all, that my kitchen box gets unpacked while it's sitting in the garage. That's why I didn't have my coffee maker or salt for our dinner last night. The other thing I learned is that the cargo platform works awesome. It's so handy for taking all of our big bins of stuff and just sliding them in and out. I'm not having to worry about getting caught on seats and gaps and carpet. Time to head back home. Paige gets back today, so we gotta clean our house up. Doesn't need to know that we're living like animals for the last 4 days.
Look at the toy I
That's a cool toy. Are you having fun?
made. Yeah.
Is this a good camping trip?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Check out what came in the mail, guys.